required. All not required, no? Solve for allowable left. Okay? So, may option na mo nga pwede siya masumahon or you can check sa table. O nga ito doon ka mo sang amune. Kaya sa board exam, wala na siya ginahata ang table. Dapat kabalo ka mo, mag-memorize ng concept sining. Kaya dapat ka mo ni masuma directly, kag-check ninyo if compact, sorry, if slender or non-slender. Okay, so let's check the limiting ratio niya. Bilang limiting ratio for plunge. Okay, so nila ne? This is an unstiffened element. So this is case na siya. Unstiffened. Case 3, I think. Uniform compression for white flange or hot roll shapes na white flange. Section 502.1. Case 3. So for case 3, ilang atong nga limiting ratio? 0.56 square root of E over that is 0.56 square root of 200,000 over sa y na ito na 345. Bilang eh? 483. So since ang lambda natin okay, is less than siya, meaning greater din siya sa ating actual mabalik ang lambda, therefore, ano makonclude natin? Plunge, ano siya? Is non-slender. Okay? Web na lang, web. Tapos na si web. Kila ang limiting ratio for non-slender sa web natin, which is a Stephen element. Okay, ito na siya. Case, isa lang page sa table. Case 10. Kila? 1.49 square root of E over. So this is 1.49 square root of 200,000 all over 345. Kila din? 35.875. So, atong nga po ratio is 7.4 and this is less than sa limiting ratio. So, this is greater than sa lambda natin. Therefore, web is non-slender. Ano dapat i-conclude natin? Since all elements are non-slender, therefore section is non-slender. Okay, so meaning, pwede na magamit ang provisions ng code na ito na section 505 for flexural buckling for sections with non-slender elements. Okay, what if, sir, kung ang section is with slender elements, lain naman na siya nga code provision. We can use the PM is equal to FCR PG. So, ang itong provision is only applicable to members nga iyang limit state is flexural buckling with non-slender elements. Okay? Okay, since we won't deal with slender elements, so dapat ma-prove talaga siya na non-slender. Okay? So, we'll continue this by Monday. Okay, later i-post of place. Picture na lang place.